on the ground floor is our 2 3-bedroom units. So I'm here now in one of the 3-bedroom units of Leisure Suites North. So tara, check natin yung unit. We're here now in one of the 3-bedroom units of Leisure Suites North. This unit has a total area of 123 square meters, and as you can see, this unit is very spacious and perfect for big families. Over here is your spacious living room, and on the right side naman is your dining area. Over here naman is your kitchen area. So for your kitchen area, you have your kitchen countertop with granite tiles and stainless steel sink, and also you have the complete kitchen cabinets. So now let's check the bedroom number 1. Let's go up to the second floor and check out the bedrooms. So now let's go up to the second floor. Hi! So I'm here inside of 1-bedroom unit. So tara, pasok! So this is the model unit of our 1-bedroom. So this is 56 square meters. And as you can see, this is not the typical 1-bedroom unit. Because nakita niyo naman, very spacious siya and malaki talaga siya for 1 bedroom. And now, let's go to the bedroom. So this is the 1-bedroom unit. And as you can see, sobrang laki niya. This is perfect for solo living or for couples. The good thing about this unit is pwede kang mag-set up ng sarili mong office. So this is perfect for people working at home. So let's go and check the balcony area. Here you can set up a mini patio where you can sit and relax every morning. And over here naman is your laundry area. Now, let me show you our 2-bedroom unit upstairs. Welcome to our 2-bedroom unit. This unit has total area of 76 square meters with mezzanine and a balcony. Over here is your spacious living area, perfect for your family. And over here naman is your kitchen with kitchen countertop and built-in cabinets. A few steps away naman is your toilet and bath. Lahat ng nakikita niyo dito will be part of the deliverables upon the turnover of the unit. And now, let's check the bedroom number 1. So we're done here at the ground floor. So let's check naman the bedroom number 2 or the mezzanine. We're here now in mezzanine or bedroom number 2. As you can see, napakalawak niya. And also, it has a provision for aircon. And the good thing is, meron na rin siyang sariling toilet and bath. Again, lahat na nakikita niyo dito will be part of the deliverables upon the turnover of the unit. The Altamonte community is also equipped by top-notch amenities, ensuring you have endless possibilities for relaxation and recreation. Imagine having 24/7 access to a relaxing kind of lifestyle. Every day feels like a 5-star Airbnb stay, except this is your home and you actually live in it. Thank you for touring with me today. Join us here at Leisure Suites North and experience the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. With its prime location, spacious design, and potential for rental income, investing in Leisure Suites North is a decision you won't regret. Till next time, bye!